Okay, here's a shovelhead bike motor that we did last year. When did we do this motor?
Started in 2015.
Keith. This is Keith's chopper. 2015 to 18. 3 years plus.
Yeah, 3 years in the making.
So anyway, that was a stroker motor that we converted back to 80-inch and hopped it up and made it more reliable. All right, shoot the highlights. Tell them what you did. Or you want me to shoot you watching the highlights?
I don't know. There's too much shit.
There's too much crap you did. Okay, what'd you do? What'd you start? Let's see. First thing you did, you cut the frame all up because it's a pile of crap chopper frame. Who made the frame?
I don't know. I bought it secondhand.
What year did you buy it secondhand?
1979.
1979.
Way before you were born.
I was born in 79, you dumbass. So it's a piece of crap frame from 79. It's only got a little bit of rake. Looks like about 40 degrees. So you cut out the whole backbone. You put what, chromoly bar in there or something you said?
Yeah, a seat post.
Seat post. Then you got a 1/2-inch plate right there for the motor mount right there.
And the tranny.
And the tranny too. Oh, you made the tranny. I can't see the tranny mount. The exhaust pipe's in the way. You got a Baker 4-speed tranny in this thing now. So you've got an electric speedo driver out to butt in right there. Somewhere in there. There it is up high. Right up there. Electric speedo. You didn't like the lines I was working on, so you bought some aftermarket aluminum ones that use rubber fittings on them. So, did that. You got a GMA caliper, so we know it don't stop very well.
No, I don't stop with the shit.
Let's see, you put a stupid Sportster gas tank I sold you on there.
I love it.
It's one of those one-piece Sportster tanks, rubber mounted. So you got a nice looking tank. Electric speedometer, so it's accurate now.
8 over wide glide.
Only 8 over, that's all? So he rubber mounted the gas tank. And this rubber mount is how they come, and he cut off the mounts around because they're butt ugly. The stock mount stuck way the hell out here, so he cut all that off, made up his own bracketry up in there, and mounted it. So this is a Sportster quick bob tank, I think is what they call it. So it looks like a Harley tank, but it's not. So the vibration's a lot less, you said.
Oh, difference like night and day.
Night and day. We took out, how big was this one? 5/8 crank?
Was that?
How big was the motor? 5/8 stroke?
Yeah, something like that. De-stroked it.
We're back to an 80-inch motor. So it was with stock cylinders. It was a 84-inch, 86-inch motor, I guess originally. 86-inch probably. So I put a 42 rear sprocket back there to gear it way up. You put what you got, 24 in the tranny? 23.
What's that?
24 or 3 on the tranny?
24.
24, so you got tall gearing. Ooh, you actually got the chain adjusted correctly. Amazing.
Stretched a little, just right.
Oh, that's supposed to be loose like that. That's stock. That's what you want it to be.
Huh?
You want it to be loose like that. That's nice.
You gotta loosen up the belt.
Put a Barnett Scorpion clutch in it. Looks like an old BDL system. Is that what it was?
Yeah, that's a Primo belt drive. And
Oh, it's a Primo?
Business now.
They're pretending not to be around right now, yeah. So, we put a cam in it, as I recall. Oh, you put that ugly ass oil filter tank on there. I don't like.
Yeah, I know. You can't have everything.
Yeah, you don't listen.
I don't want it hanging underneath the regular.
They don't listen to me about everything.
I don't want it hanging underneath the regular.
But you got my crappy exhaust system on there. I like. Those work good, don't they?
Yeah, Tatro.
So, anyway, we put the S&S conversion lifter blocks, push rod, Evo cam, hydraulic, so it works really good. I forget what cam we stuck in. I think we put a crane cam in it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
One of the cranes.
I don't know what grind it was, but it works good, whatever.
It was a mild crane cam. I think it was about 245 by 250 duration. Probably about 5. Probably just a 5'10" lift cam, but whatever. It looks pretty good. Where's your electric starter at? How do you start this bike? You got a button?
Right leg.
Where's your button at? No button?
Nope.
Yeah, well go crank it up. See what it looks like.
Oh.
See how good of a starter you are.
Let's see if it starts.
I'm in my lounge chair here. See, this is my lounge chair right here. See,
Well,
against my wood step.
Kick or the 100th kick.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go with 1.
The other day it started on a second kick.
That's how it's supposed to. As long as I don't have to kick it.
I'm still trying to figure out the combination.
That wasn't it.
Well, farted.
That wasn't a fart. You have to push on it, you know that, don't you? Good kick. But it's got about 15 to 20 miles on the bike right now. Feels a little rich.
That gets a screwdriver out. Where's your magic?
What screw? I don't have a screwdriver. You have to go to find me one.
Huh?
Where is that screwdriver?
Toolbox. Alright, shut it off.
No.
Okay. Tatro's gonna do his fine tuning. Right there? Good to go?
You guys smoothed it up a little bit?
Huh?
You guys smoothed up the idle a little bit?
Yeah.
We had the idle mix here.
Okay. Don't go too far off then.
We're over here. See how heavy it sounds?
So you leaned it a little.
Lean out, lean out. A little more, it starts to die.
Yeah.
It's gonna die. So you're right there, just sweet spot right there.
Okay, I was up about a quarter turn then.
Yeah, 18 turns.
Okay, 15.
Turn on the killer pump yet?
What's the plan to that?
Clutch rattles over there. They all do
Yeah,
that.
I know. So that's
They all do that a little bit.
yeah.
Those open primaries, they don't mask the noise in them. Yeah, well, its motor's braking a little bit too, so you probably had adjusted all right when it was first started, but it's freeing up a little bit. You got the braking oil in, don't you?
Yep.
Okay.
And after about 150 miles, I'll switch over to that mineral, that maximum.
That's your fender bracket right there? Not very much of a fender bracket.
Well, no, but look, you don't see where it's mounted right there.
I know, but that's not much holding it down there.
Oh yeah, that's been right. That's been mounted like that for
Okay.
since 1980.
Looks a little thin to me, but okay.
Well, it's made out of stainless.
You know, I saw it was polished, but
Yeah,
okay. Not all stainless is good, you know. Some of
Yeah,
it's crap.
that works. So that's believe
Okay,
me,
it's holding up.
Yeah, it's like I made that sissy bar 10 years ago. That's polished stainless.
Yeah. You and the stainless guy made it. Look at how it flexes. So how's that seat work?
Well, I've been running like that for
Look good on those, it held up with those railroad tracks you just rolled over on?
yeah. Let's see, in '82. I've had that same seat since '82.
Yeah, there you go.
I just had it recovered.
So you done any burnout yet? No? Okay.
When it gets broke in, I'll come in front of your shop
Oh,
and lay a big.
it's already broken in.
Yeah.
Broken enough for me, I would have been already on it.
Broken in and broken, period.
So you got the ultimate ignition in this one?
Nope.
Dyna?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
We got the Dyna in it. Which one you
No,
put
it's
in?
the Ultima. Remember you programmed it
Okay.
on the computer?
That's why it's
The
so hard to
kickstart,
start.
yeah.
That's why I took 2 kicks. Damn crappy program.
Well, this morning it took fucking 50 kicks.
50? Oh shit! You got to learn how to start it.
I know, I'm still trying to figure out the right formula.
Yeah. All right. Well, there you go. That's what a finished project looks like after you got the whole bike put back together.
Good job, Tatro.
So that's about a 3 1/4 or 3.5 year project.
Yeah, well, I dropped it off in March of 2015 and picked it up in March of 2017. So.
Well, that was me. What about the rest of the bike?
Yeah, well, I just got it on the road yesterday, so yeah.
It took you 6 months to finish it. You know.
Actually, I started assembly back in May.
I think you had a longer than that, but oh well.
Yeah.
All right. Well, there you go. You take $3 grand for it, cash.
Shit, $2 grand.
$2 grand cash.
Discount.
$2 grand.
I'll
Yeah.
trade you a twin cam for it. How's that?
You're Trump's brother, weren't you? Is that what you
Yeah.
called? Yeah.
Twinkie.
Twinkie. There you
Trade
go.
you a
Trade
Twinkie.
you a Twinkie for it.
Yeah.
Wood cheese in the middle.
Yeah.
All right. Well, there you go. We'll see how long it lasts before he breaks it, or it leaks oil. He ain't leaked no oil yet.
Did a good job, Tatro. Thanks a lot.
All right. That's it for now.